Back. Hello everybody, Hyper Mario Sunshine here, and we're playing some more Animal Crossing New Leaf. Okay. So the town's greener than ever from Gigi. Crud, Gigi's leaving. And now only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people are in our town. Look, and there's a person here. Finally, a person I get to show. Who is it? Nerd Duck. Derwin. Let's see if we could get him to the town. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Okay, let's see. And you should move here. Awesome, I was hoping you'd see. I'll move here then. Oh, that's right. Should we officially? Wait, so you're Peter, and I'm Derwin. Nice to meet you, Peter. So we got Derwin in our town now. Another duck. So Molly and Derwin. Derwin and Molly are the only two ducks. I realized back then we had a lot more frogs, but now that Gigi left, now it's only Henry. And we got an emerald. Thanks you. No. Oh, I still have. Oh crud. Oh crud. I'll sell the feathers and stuff. Town looks very beautiful when it's green. I think we could go swimming too if we get the chance. Hey, Wart Jr. Oh, we also got Wart Jr. And somebody's online on my 3DS. What's new? Okay. Oh my god! The bamboo's growing everywhere. That's a lot of bamboo. I never thought that much would grow there. Yeah, no. So, let's see what's in here. Okay. Yeah, there's Henry right there. Let's go talk to him once we're done selling stuff. I think we're gonna bring the flea and the butterfly to the museum. Dang. They're worth some bells. Why not buy it? Wait, I put that up for sale? Thank you, Henry. So actually, I'm still having the Pave stuff. I'm not sure when. Actually, maybe one day I'll actually go back to that date and redo it. But then, now that I think about it, like some people will move town again, so I'm not taking a few chances. And look, the leaves are growing back on our town hall tree. Nope. Looks very beautiful here in our town. Not as beautiful as others, but just like playing in this town feels good. I know that I could visit some beautiful town in like some other, like in the dream addresses, but yeah. Let's see what it is. The fortune is inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hugh flaps. Ah, crud. It's a piece of garbage. Hey, look at the butterfly. Beautiful. Let's bury this. And if anybody visits my town, they will get it. Like, visit my town. Like, we play online together. And if they find it and they never had the thing, I'll let them have it. Like, they found it. I was like, I didn't see that before. Okay, come down, butterfly. Boom. It's, another peacock butterfly. Is it a bird or a bug? So that means we have 2 of them. And there's a lot more fish to catch now. So that's good. So we'll be filling up fast. And here's Kevin. Oh, Chops. What's up? Oh, furniture. Put a time capsule and bury it. Well, I got the perfect place. So I'm thinking right in front of my house is the perfect place. I wonder if I actually caught the... did he give us the thing? What? Oh, it's in the mail. Hold on. Okay. Time capsule. Bury. Wait, you could bury mail? Hold on. Ah, you can't. You can only bury time capsules. Okay, so when Henry wants us to bury it, we bury it. Okay, Molly. Okay. Do anything for new pork. Okay. Anything? Missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know how much, but I think we're around like 10 missing. And we need to catch some pond fish, because I catch lots of sea fish and stuff, so I think I need to catch more. Hold on. Didn't we pay for this? I'll incorporate. Put 1,000. Wait. Wait, what? Did it just... Hold on. Did I just... I just gave in 1,000 bells. Okay, let's go buy some stuff. We have enough money. Okay, the TNT Emporium. I'm so happy with my town, except I don't have Katrina yet, so I'm hoping I'll get her. Okay, I think we're gonna buy all these stuff to make our town even more beautiful. Let's see what's in here that we could buy. I don't know. Oh, there's an air conditioner. I think we'll need that in our gaming room, or... Yeah, I think our gaming room will be perfect. And Gracie. How expensive these things are. Two-tone pants. No. Too expensive, probably. Wait a second. How the heck does he have the money to afford this? Wait a second. He's that... Oh my god, I remember him. And the air conditioning finally belongs to me. Guess we'll get rid of the fan and the air fan in there, the one that's hung up on the ceiling, and replace with an air conditioner, something a little bit more modern. And maybe I'll order a second one for my other room, like my sleek room. Actually, nah, forget it, I'll do it off camera. But I'll place it in my room and getting rid of the fan, and then also put the gaming room, and etc. So, I think I'll end off the episode with me placing off my furniture, and we'll actually do oh, we found a 4-leaf clover. Well, I wonder if this makes me lucky. Well, I guess it does, probably. Yeah, so you can find 4-leaf clover. So whenever you get the chance, find it. I'm not sure what they do. Do they make you feel lucky or anything? I don't know. So we're going to put this in the room, and we're going to do a ending that seems very, very familiar. If you know what I'm going to do. Let's put this. Instead, put the air conditioner. It's not a good time they have the air conditioner on. Only in the summer. And so love my videos with that like button. Make sure to subscribe to my I worked a bit channel. I'll really appreciate it. So next time we will do a lot more stuff to do, and probably I don't know what to do next, but we'll find something to do, maybe the everyday tasks. But we'll see you guys, and so love my videos love my videos with that like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate it. See you guys then. Bye. Bye.